How to buy Roblox gift cards. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. And without further ado, let's begin. Launch any web browser on your device. Now visit Amazon.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you sign in to your account with the help of the sign in button at top right corner of your screen. So let's click on sign in and enter the credential. Now in the search bar type in Roblox gift card and hit enter on your keyboard. Here you will get different results. Simply you can choose any of them. So let's choose first one. Then you will land on the section where you see add to cart at right corner of the screen. Then it will be added to your cart section. Now you can easily proceed to checkout, clicking on proceed to checkout. Now you are on the checkout section. You need to choose a payment method. You can add a credit or a debit card or use other payment option available. Enter the required details, card number, name, expiration date, etc. And then you can easily click add your card. After completion of the payment method process, you can easily click on or the enter a gift card voucher or promotional code if you have any. After completing the payment, you will receive the Roblox and card code via email to the email link to your Amazon account. So this code is what you'll use to redeem Robux on your Roblox account. And then you will successfully buy Roblox gift cards on online. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.